When I tell you this combination that I just gave you all, this beautiful gift and nugget that I just spilled to my family, don't you go around telling everybody about our family business, okay? Because we keep it in the family. I told y'all before, we gatekeep in the family. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into another pick 5. So if you're interested in seeing this layering pick 5 combination, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber. On this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill some a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go laugh, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, honey, we are back again to do this Pick 5 series. And if you did not catch my last one, hopefully we can put it up somewhere or put it at the end so you can check out that video. That was my Netflix and chill with the lovely boo combination. I hope you all tested some of those products. Let me know your thoughts, okay? But we are going to move on with this series. I'm going to call this Pretty Lil Thang, okay? So, what I mean by that, family, I know y'all like Thang, like really? What I mean by that is like, this is a pretty scent. And I feel like if you're a male and you want to be pretty, you can get this.
Shut up. Make my picture.
And if you are a woman and you want to be pretty, you can get this.
This is gorgeous!
Yes, future queen, yes!
And if you are none of the above, if you don't consider yourself male, female, whatever, you know, you can do this.
I feel pretty.
Oh, so pretty. I feel pretty and witty and bright.
So I just want to call it Pretty Lil Thang. You know, just whoever wants to be pretty, you can put this little thing on and it's the pretty combination, okay? So I hope you like it. A little slang. It's okay. But we are going to start. You all, if you caught my last one, you all know what we're talking about, where I pick 5 products that I have combined and have worn, and I just share it with my family, okay? So, you know, of course, we start off with the shower and the bath, or the shower, whichever one you prefer, okay? But we're going to start off with Gingham Love. Do you all have her? Have you all heard of her? Okay. So this is like almost the prettier. I feel like she is the prettier little girl. Like the prettier form of Gingham. The original. The one with the blue and white. This is like the pretty form of it. I don't know. But this is the Moisturizing Body Wash. If you all are new to this channel, your sis like a good moisturizing body wash. If we're talking about Bath and Body Works products, I can't do none with the shower gel. We can't do none with it, okay? But this one has sugared red berries, blushing freesia, and rose in this, okay? Those notes just give you pretty, okay? A berry, a rose, you know, just a blushing type of note in there. It gives you pretty. This is amazing. If you like Gingham, I feel like if you want a little berry of gingham, like gingham to me gives me like fresh, but beautiful still. But this gives me a little berry note. And I started off with this, so you can get your hands on it because I actually got this in the body care day. And I picked this one up and picked up another one. But get your hands on this if you don't have it. Highly recommend, okay? Moving on. What I paired that with in the shower, I walked over and paired it with the scrub, okay? The Gingham Love Scrub. So, again, I got this at Body Care Day because this was like $4.95 it was for Body Care Day. Honey, this scrub, you know what? Reminds me of the Way scrub that I was just talking about in my last pick 5. But it doesn't have the oil like mixed in with the scrub like the other one did. This one, it gives me the same scrub size, if that makes sense, right? It's not a small scrub. They're like the larger scrub. If you're a scrub person, you'll understand exactly what I'm saying. If you're not a scrub person, you would not know anything I'm saying.
And I'm confused.
You'll be like, what in the world type of description? What are you talking about? Either way, if you try it, it's the bigger beads, okay? It's not the small scrub beads. It's a little bit larger, okay? Anyway, this is what I paired next for this combination, and this is so good, okay? Moving on. Next up, I put on a body cream, and I feel like this is like the Bath and Body Works Pretty Lil Thang, because I stuck with Bath and Body Works this time, okay? This one was You're the One, the body cream. Now, you know You're the One, you know why my face just did like, now you know, okay? This, it just makes you fall in love. Like, I feel like this combination, ooh, that's a good one. It came into my mind. This combination would be good for a good Valentine's Day date. You want to be a little pretty little thing for Valentine's? A pretty little, you know. This would be a good Valentine's Day one, okay? Yo, Cynthia, you know me. I love y'all. But this is so good. Okay, let's get into the notes. This has white birch. This has velvety rose and a drop of strawberry nectar. What? Not a drop. This is a whole bunch of berries. So this berry, these berries, this berry, honey. Very good. Very good. Very good indeed. It is so amazing and pretty. Okay, let's move on. Next up, I have fragrance-wise what I put on. Y'all not ready. Are y'all ready? Kayali, Eden Juicy Apple. Okay, this is one. Okay, let me give you some of the notes. Has red apple, lychee, black currant, pink grapefruit. Middle notes, wild berry, raspberry bloom, jasmine, may rose, sugar, musk, vanilla, flower, moss, amber. I'm telling you all, you want to be a very pretty Lil Thang. This combination is a good one. This is so pretty. And I'm gonna sip a little tea for you, okay?
Everything stops for tea.
The tea is, I put this on for number 4. I'm gonna show you all my 5 pick, but then I put her back. I re-up. I put her on top of the 5 pick. So when I tell you you do this, then you're going to go to number 5, then you go back to number 4. Get your life. This is so good. This is so pretty and good. And a lot of people have talked about Kayali Juicy Apple, and they're like, oh, it is good, honey. Like, it's the hype. It's amazing. It is amazing. And this combination, he or she not ready.
No. No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
They not ready. Not ready for you. Okay. And last, but certainly not least for the pick 5. This is the amazing, the incomparable, the queen of all queens, you know, the throne setter, the trend setter, you know. We topped off with,
drum roll, please.
Do I gotta say more? Mason Francis Kirk DeJohn Baccarat 540 Rouge, the Extrait version. I just got her for Christmas. And you all, when I tell you, this combination that I just gave you all, this beautiful gift and nugget that I just spilled to my family, don't you go around telling everybody about our family business, okay? Because we keep it in the family. I told y'all before, we gatekeep in the family. Don't y'all tell them about this. This, y'all will understand when you all put this combination together, you will understand why I'm being real extra right now. Because this combination, if you put this on for Valentine's Day, you know what you're doing. And we don't have to say it anymore, okay? This is an amazing pick 5. I would highly recommend Kayali Eden Juicy Apple and MFK, the Baccarat Rouge 540. The Extrait version, honey, not just because they both red, okay? But they are amazing together and separate, but together, honey. That is all, family. That is all for my layering suggestion for you all. Do you all plan to pick up some of these items or to put them together? Let me know if if you've been doing some layering combinations. Let me know what you've been doing. Let your sister know. Let me know. Okay. Let me know what you all been wearing. I would love to hear and meet you all. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Again, family, thank you all for your support. Thank you all for loving me, okay? I love you all right back. And remember, be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo, sis just did. All right, family? Love you. Bye, family.